This video will help you, the busy professional, identify and select the best AI tools for your particular niche. These tools were not picked out of random. I scoured the internet for a few that will be more practical and applicable to all busy professionals around the world. You can go through this video and see which items or tools best represents your niche or skill area and try them out for yourselves. I have personally tested a few of them and I have found them to be very helpful and I can safely recommend them to you. So let's dive in and look at a few of these items. Make sure that you revisit this video, and if you are liking the content so far, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more ideas, tips, technological guidelines, and advice in the days to come.